Hello friends, I am Nisha Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of English. The topic under discussion today is in continuation with our earlier topic, the direct and indirect speech. Today we'll know how to change command or request into indirect speech. A direct command, request, advice, or suggestion is turned into indirect speech in the following manner. First, reporting verb is changed into verb of ask, advise, tell, request plus object addressed. Order command plus object is used only when the command is very strong. These verbs are not used without an object. So, if the reporting verb is without an object, usually first or third person pronouns is supplied. For example, he said, sit down. Said would turn into ask. He asked, since sub object is not given. किसे कहा? मुझे कहा. He asked me, her, उसे कहा to sit down. No, he asked to sit down. Come in, he said to her. He asked her to come in. Open fire, the district magistrate said to the police. The district magistrate ordered commanded the police to open fire. किससे कहा जा रहा है ये देखकर हम यहाँ पर ये नहीं कह सकते डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट रिक्वेस्टेड बिकॉज ही इज़ इन ए असर्टिव पोजिशन. वो कमांड दे सकता है, इसलिए हम यहाँ कमांड या ऑर्डर कहेंगे. से +2 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ नॉट यूज्ड इन एन इनडायरेक्ट कमांड. I said to him to sit down. Suggest is used with to. I suggested to him to take some exercise, not suggested him. A verb in the imperative is changed into a to infinitive, non-infinitive clause and placed after the reporting clause. I said, take your seat. I told or asked him to take his seat. He said, give me some food, please. He requested me to give him some food. That is never used to link the two clauses in imperatives. We don't say, I asked him that take your seat. He told me that make tea for me. You subject is left out. You call a taxi, he said to me. He asked me to call a taxi. ही इस तरह से नहीं लिखेंगे कि ही आस्क मी यू कॉल अ टैक्सी. डू यूज्ड इन एन एम्फेटिक इम्पेरेटिव इज़ लेफ्ट आउट. शी सेड डू स्टार्ट एट वन. शी आस्क मी टू स्टार्ट एट वंस. यहाँ हम डू का यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. डू यूज्ड एज एन ऑर्डनरी वर्ब इज़ नॉट लेफ्ट आउट. डू एज आई डू. शी सेड टू द चिल्ड्रन. शी आस्क्ड द चिल्ड्रन टू डू एज शी डिड. Please, kindly is left out because its sense is expressed by the reporting verb. Please, kindly की जगह हम requested word यूज़ कर देते हैं तो इसलिए please और kindly को हटा दिया जाता है. Don't is changed into not plus infinitive. Don't write on walls, he told us. He asked us not to write on walls. Notice how do is left out and not is placed before the to infinitive. We don't say he asked us to not pick roses. She asked him don't to whistle in the class. हम क्या कहेंगे? He asked us not to pick roses. She asked him not to whistle in the class. He said don't sleep in the class. He asked me not to sleep in the class. Or he forbade me to sleep in the class. Forbid का मतलब मना ही करना होता है. Mustn't plus infinitive. Mustn't can't be turned into indirect speech either as a statement or as a negative command. Prohibition. She said you mustn't drive rashly. She said that I mustn't drive rashly. And she asked me not to drive rashly. Imperative with head better. An imperative with you plus better plus oblique head better expressing advice is turned into indirect speech like an ordinary imperative. Like he said, you had better see a doctor. He advised me to see a doctor. Better and had better is left out. Doctor said you had better not work hard. The doctor advised me not to work hard. Imperative with must, should, ought. An imperative with must, ought, should to expressing advice is turned into indirect speech like an ordinary imperative. Reporting verb is changed into advice object. Must, should, ought is left out. Like he'll say, he said you must or you should take some exercise every day. He advised me to take some exercise every day. She said you ought to love animals. She urged me to love animals. Imperative with might. An imperative with you plus might expressing request is turned into indirect speech like an ordinary imperative. She said you might attend the meeting on my behalf. She requested me to attend the meeting on her behalf. Questions expressing command and request. Questions beginning will you, would you, could you, expressing command or request, invitation are converted into indirect speech in this way. Reporting verb is changed into verb of ask, request plus object. Verb in the imperative change into to plus infinitive. Will you, would you, could you is left out. Please, kindly is left out. She said, would you close the gate please? She requested him to close the gate. He said, will you keep quiet? He asked me to keep quiet. These are questions only in form, not in sense. They do not seek information. Therefore, they are not changed like yes-no questions. However, note that such questions, when they seek information, are changed like ordinary yes-no question. She said, will you go home by bus? She asked me if I would go home by bus. Imperative plus question tags. A question tag at the end of an imperative is left out when the sentence is converted into reported speech. Like, shut the door, will you? I said to her. I asked her to shut the door. और क्वेश्चन टैग को हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे. Imperative with let me, us, proposal, suggestion. Let is changed into should and verb is changed into I said let me have a rest. I suggested that I should have a rest. I said let's sing together. I proposed or suggested that we should sing together. Imperative with let plus third person order command. The teacher said let them go out. The teacher ordered that they should go out. The officer said let the police open fire. The officer ordered that the police should open fire. An imperative with let plus first plus third person expressing permission is turned into indirect speech like an ordinary imperative. Let me drive the car, I told the driver. I asked the driver to let me drive the car. Let them play in the park, she told the watchman. She asked the watchman to let them play in the park. Let me go out, sir, he said to the teacher. He requested the teacher to let him go out. Now comes exclamation in indirect speech. Exclamations are turned into indirect speech in this way. Reporting verb is changed into exclaim with wonder, joy, surprise. जो भी फीलिंग है हम वो बता देंगे. That को यूज़ करेंगे और इंटरजेक्शंस को हटा देंगे. एक्सक्लेमेशंस को स्टेटमेंट में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे और एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड्स जो हैं उन्हें भी हम हटा देंगे. He said, how beautiful a place. He exclaimed with admiration that it was a very beautiful place. Sudden short cries, incomplete sentences are expressed in full sentences. She said, "What a man!" She exclaimed with surprise that he was a peculiar man. I said, "Oh, enough." I said, "It is enough." I exclaimed with disgust that it was enough. Wish and desire in indirect speech. A wish or desire in the indirect speech is turned into from direct speech into indirect speech is turned in this manner. May you live long, she said. She wished or prayed that I may live long. Many happy returns of the day, said Mary. Mary wished him many happy returns of the day. So, this was all about direct and indirect speech. I'll brief all of them since there are many videos. I'll try to brief all of them in another video and then we'll go on exercise. Thank you.